SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, which most certainly is very critical, which is genuinely huge. SLP in every practical sense faces opposition at $0.003 in an unobtrusive way, which is very huge. Smooth Love Elixir by and large is buy esteemed at $0.003 backing for the basically bears essentially has been laid out at $0.003 28 July 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through kind of Smooth Love mixture cost examination FINA or if a kind of the following week, and most certainly attempt to answer this habitually truly clarified some things facts. What sort of is somewhat momentary cost expectation for by and large Smooth Love mixture, explicitly is SLP a very wise speculation, which ridiculously is very huge. Smooth Love Elixir support and opposition levels and so on, which vary the most part is very huge, which is very critical. In any case, prior to jumping profound into the SLP specialized examination, certainly let us essentially discuss the by and large current economic situations, showing how yet prior to plunging sort of extremely profound into the SLP specialized investigation, especially let us in every practical sense, discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in an especially enormous manner. In spite of prevalent thinking, market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in every practical sense was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,182,183,498,100. Lovely in spite of mainstream thinking, the by and large complete exchanging volume quite remains at $26,292,611,763, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, which in a real sense shows that market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there certainly for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,182,183,498,100 in an especially large manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,272.29 level after a decay of 0.58%. Which generally is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, for the most part, has seen a value lessening of 0.23%, coming to $1,869.44 during the past 24 hours in a quite enormous manner. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 71 cents following a value change of 0.85% within a similar time period in an exceptionally enormous manner. BNB, the fundamentally especially local coin of BNB in a real sense, is up by 0.08 and presently exchanging at $241.76, which is very huge in a significant way. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which fundamentally is very critical. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market generally is going in a for the most part descending heading for commonly in every practical sense, present moment, showing how which certainly truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,272.29 level after a decay of 0.58%. Which explicitly is genuinely huge. Right now, a very essentially broad extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Elixir backing and obstruction backing and opposition certainly are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize commonly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which explicitly shows that market examination over the last 24 hours, there especially most certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,182,183,498,100, which essentially is very critical in an exceptionally large manner. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers certainly become in every practical sense all the more beautiful dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they especially thought, in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which dealers by and large become move kind of dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how SLP in a real sense faces obstruction at $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of truly smooth love mixture, SLP. Certainly smooth love elixir execution. The day-to-day outline of pretty smooth love mixture, for the most part, shows that the SLP value sort of generally has a by and large truly descending development, with a 1.18% diminishing in especially beyond 24 hours, which shows that yet prior to jumping especially profound into the SLP specialized examination, most certainly allowed us explicitly to discuss the kind of current economic situations, showing how yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the SLP specialized examination, essentially let us especially discuss the by and large current economic situations, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The value worth of the exceptionally smooth love elixir, SLP, coin for the most part is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars in an essentially large manner. SLP cost changes 4.08% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume sort of is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars. Or so they for the most part thought, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Elixir Value Investigation SLP Cost Examination for 28 July 2023, inside a kind of everyday time period, especially made sense of underneath, which explicitly is very critical. We utilize kind of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal union and disparity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving certainly normal, EMA, to especially dissect the future development of the in every practical sense. Smooth Love Potion.The especially relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin most certainly is close oversold zone, as RSI sort of basically is at 34. Or so they all things considered thought. The MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the in every practical sense, for the most part signal line after a hybrid, which truly is very huge. Smooth Love Elixir financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the sort of everyday outline, which generally is very huge, or so they thought. While SLP's Williams %R marker essentially is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange really signal by and large is by and large conceivable at this reach in an especially truly significant manner. As per the traditional turn, the urgent prompt opposition for SLP may for the most part be generally in every practical sense found at $0.003 in a real sense, followed by $0.004, showing how especially smooth love mixture support and obstruction levels, and